Let's move on to the part three. In this part, I'll ask you a few follow-up questions. Are you familiar with practices of meditation and mindfulness?
Yes, meditation is the practice that encompasses the mindfulness, and mindfulness is the state of being fully present and engaged in the moment without any external distractions and thoughts.
Have you ever heard about the benefits of mindfulness and meditation?
Yes, I have. There are a lot of studies and research that are conducted to explore the benefits of the meditation and the mindfulness. Some of the potential benefits of the mindfulness include uh, stress reduction, enhance our mental clarity, and emotional satisfaction.
How often do you find yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed in your daily life?
I find myself in a stressed situations a lot in this point of my life because I am enthusiastic and passionate woman who wants success in my life, and success need dedication, time, and struggle. I have a lot of energy in myself, but sometimes I get exhausted from all the things.
Have you ever tried any techniques to relax or calm your mind?
Yes, I often use techniques to relax my mind. One of it is I like to listen music because it relaxes our mind. And whenever I feel I'm feeling bored or in a situation of depression or anxiety, then I like to be alone and far from the madding crowd, listen to the music and enjoy my own company.
Okay. Are you interested in exploring methods to improve mental well-being?
Yes, I often explores the different techniques because our overall well-being is deeply depends on mental health. So mental health is very crucial for our body fitness and physical health. So I often explore the techniques.
How can meditation helps in managing stress and anxiety?
Meditation helps a lot in managing stress because it builds a strong relationship with ourselves. And whenever we meditate, are fully focused and concentrated on our task and relax from the depressions or any anxieties, then it helps us a lot to perform our best and do good.
Okay. That's the end of IELTS practice exam.